India's defense power is not just measured by the machines in our skies or the weapons at our borders. It is defined by the brilliant minds and steady hands that craft the critical parts behind them. In a world demanding speed, strength, and self-reliance, India is rising with confidence. Atmanirbhar Bharat. At the heart of Uttar Pradesh lies Kanpur, a city built on the grit of industry, once famed for its leather and textiles, today evolving as a hub for engineering, manufacturing and aerospace. From this city of resilience emerges a jewel in India's defense crown. Lohia Aerospace, a company that turned vision into reality and placed Kanpur on the global aerospace map.
I was looking for the next frontier. India has embarked on a journey for self-reliance and self-sufficiency in defense. I wanted to contribute to that effort. That's why I entered the defense business. I chose composites because composites has a lot of scope worldwide. It is a new age material. They require a lot of people and very highly skilled specialists to really be able to get the skill and get our people trained. I needed a existing composites manufacturing facility which I acquired in Israel.
Lohia Aerospace is more than a company. It is part of India's growing defense ecosystem. From UAV components to missile systems, from aerostructures to protective radar covers, every piece here is built to global standards, proudly made in India. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has embraced the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliance in defense, a vision to transform India from the world's largest importer of defense equipment to a global exporter of advanced technologies.
And nowadays, a lot of battles are fought by UAVs, unmanned aerial systems. We have been importing them so far. India is now on its way to becoming a major center for manufacturing of unmanned systems. With our capability, with our production systems, we have been able to, in our small way, be able to provide lightweight, high-tech composite structures made in India, thereby in our small way contributing to the dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
As India's aerospace industry takes flight, a new generation is stepping in, bringing fresh vision, global outlook, and the resolve to push boundaries further.
At Lohia Aerospace, we hope to advance women across every stage. Our clean room here at the factory is filled mostly with women, and that's something that is very unique about LAS. It's something that I'm very passionate about, and I hope as we grow, we're able to advance women across every stage, not just at the manufacturing process, but also at senior leadership levels. I think the aerospace industry will benefit greatly from more diverse opinions and more diverse thoughts.
Every component here is built to the toughest aerospace tolerances, certified to international standards like AS 9100D and NADCAP, proof of global trust and proof of Indian capability.
We are still building up the aerospace industry. We have to go a long way. So to do that, the ecosystem of materials, process, design has to be done in India. We cannot really depend on countries and companies who may be affected by any geopolitical presence. So we need to do that, and we are doing it.
The journey has just begun. With expansion into higher assemblies, advanced UAV systems and next-generation aerospace technologies, Lohia Aerospace is set to play an even greater role in India's defense future. From Kanpur to the world.
We are now manufacturing aerostructures, components, sub-assemblies and flyaway UAVs, which will go only to the Indian Defence Forces. For the world stage, we will continue to manufacture high-tech components, aerostructures and sub-assemblies for the world market from Kanpur, from Lohia.
This is the story of India's makers, building world-class defense solutions, powering global partnerships, strengthening Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is Makers of Indian Defense.